Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got some palettes from Nomad Cosmetics. Nomad Cosmetics is a husband and wife team, and they travel the world, and on their travels, they make palettes with colors from that area, whether it's, they're really into the macabre, and you know, whether if they visit a castle or whatever, they go fabulous places all around the world. I have several of their palettes, and one of my favorite palettes that they made a while ago, a few years ago, is the Haunted Europe. When I first started following them and learning about them, you know, their palettes are, I don't usually buy palettes, I get them in boxes. So, I have bought a few when they've been on sale, and I've been gifted a few. And the Haunted Europe sold out. They had it, like I said, a few years ago, and they brought it back. So it's one I've been wanting. I've been looking for it on Poshmark and Mercari, y'all. It sells for over $100, and some of those are even used. So I did buy it. I bought it. This is the box for it, and then here's the back of it. And then also, since I was on their website buying that, Blue, could you just step back, lovey? I got this one because this one was on sale. This is the Verona Amore Immorte. I'm not sure I'm saying that properly, but this one was out a year ago or so, around Valentine's Day, I want to say. Blue, you have to sit down, lovey, please. We'll try to swatch. That's what I'm here for, is to swatch. So those are the boxes, and I took them out to look at them because they are just stunning. I had to look. I had to look. Lou, please, okay. Here is the Haunted Europe. So see how that is. There's a woman, and then you shift it, and there is somebody with a cloak over their face. So, and then holding a skull, there's a crow, you know. This is the palette, and she's gorgeous. A lot of their palettes, you know, I'll look at them and be like, I'm not so sure about that for me. But once I swatch them, then I see it. You know, there's some colors in here that I might not use. But what I try to do with my palettes is, if there's something in there that I might not use, I try to use it just to see, you know, to try to add it on or check it out. So you see how beautiful. And then also the impressions. Can you see the impressions? They're upside down, but there's a castle, there's caskets, there are headstones, cobwebs, or spider webs, I should say. Branches, headstones there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then the other palette is a little bit different, the way it opens. This is what it looks like, and it's, you know, beautiful, of course. And then this opens like this. So I will try not to show you the mirror so that you don't get blinded or anything, but that is what that looks like. It's like 2 9-pan palettes in there. And y'all, I'm not a red person at all. I'll use some red here and there, but I just thought, since it was on sale, and this is my favorite, well, I have several favorite several favorite companies where I love the palettes, but these are like collector's items. And these are US owned company, and, you know, small business. So I like to help them out if I can. So let's swatch. We're gonna swatch this one first. This is, again, it's called Verona Amore, then the letter E, Amore E, I know that means and, Morte, M-O-R-T-E. See, a lot of macabre kind of stuff. So let's swatch this and see what it's all about. And then, yeah, so I hope that you enjoy swatching. I guess if you're here, you're probably interested, because I have that in the title. So let's see. Let's see if I can show you. This also has the impressions on these are just beautiful. You can see I don't know if you can see them, but hopefully you can see some of the impressions there. All right, we're gonna start with the red pink side, okay? And then I'll try to tell you the names of the colors as we go. That's pretty. That's Paradise, Cupid, look at that, and Balcony. See that, you know, I will definitely use some of these. But you know, some people make a red look, and I've never done that because I think I have too much red in my skin. I don't know that that would look all right, you know, but I might try. And you know, my shoulder and my it's more so now right here in my arm. So I might have some trouble moving around, y'all, so I apologize for that. But all right, this is Rose, Love, and Romeo. Is that what that says? Yeah, I think so. Little tiny, look at that. That's got some stuff going on in there. I love that. It's beautiful. Let's see, we'll put these right here. See, the pigment on these they're beautiful. Some of their shimmers can be a little strange, you know, like a little watery or something. But I haven't found that yet. I mean, I've only touched 2 shimmers in here. Every palette I have, you know, they're all a little bit different, but this is Light, as in L-I-G-H-T. Comedy, look at that. That's red, orange, oh, that's gorgeous. It's like fire, like flames. And this is Quill, like a writing quill. So see how pretty that is and how beautiful the pigments are. And the shimmers, oh gosh. Can you see that gorgeous glittery going on in there one? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So let me clean my fingers off and we'll go on to this second side. And now let me see if this Intense Color Palette, I was wondering if it had like 2, you know, the sides had 2 names or something like that, but they don't. But yeah, see that beautiful cover? Look at that. Okay. All right. Now, let's see if I'm going to try to put them here. Okay. That is Tomb. This is M-O-R-S. It's gold, gorgeous, and Inferno. Okay. Those are good. The gray ones are good, you know, for bases and under and here and there kind of thing. Oh, this is beautiful. It's Juliet. Oh, wow. That's Juliet's. Look at that. Death is just black, and this is Poison. Look at the pigment on those. Wow. Look at that one. I just, that's gorgeous. Cleaning my fingers. All right, and then the last 3 in here. Oh, wow. This is Dagger. Now that is darker in, you know, maybe it'll come off dark when I swatch it. But this one is Tragedy. Look at that, y'all. And Dark. This is called Dark. And that's a very dark purple. Purple. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that purple shimmer. That is stunning. So that is that palette. Verona Amore Immorte. Love and Death. That much I can figure out, but, you know, but it's just beautiful. Now this, you know, it's been out a little while. They do have, they come out with a palette. I'm not sure how often. I'm not gonna put it back in that box. I don't know why I was doing that. All right, every few months it seems, All right, now the Haunted Europe. I'm wondering if I can swatch on this. I'm gonna try to swatch this arm, okay? Look at that, y'all. My arm hurts. So we're gonna do our best. Haunted Europe. Okay. Haunted Europe. And there they are, okay. I'm gonna go across, and I have to do 3 at a time because that's what my fingers will hold without me getting lost. This is Mary King's Closet. Mary King's Close. So that must be a ghost, Mary King. Huska Castle, H-O-U-S-K-A Castle. You know, I did not research this. I should. It's in Europe somewhere, but I don't know where. Highgate Cemetery. Now this is a mint green, but it doesn't, it looks almost white here. Does it say, it might say on the palette itself, on the, Medieval Europe destination. Haunted castles and eerie forests. Okay. So that's what that is. Okay. Oh, I put it on the wrong hand. Y'all. All right. We'll swatch them right there. Look at that. Wow, that pigment's fabulous. I meant to put it on this arm. So we'll try. We'll try. We'll stick to the left side. Well, no, I'll go across. Okay. Yeah, see, I can't, I'm left-handed, so this is gonna be hard for me. This is Hoya, H-O-I-A, B-A-C-I-U Forest. Oh, that's beautiful. This is Ghost River and Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Okay. And then, oh, I like this next one, has caskets on it. It is called Boogeyman. Okay, that's Boogeyman. This is Frankenstein and Grendel. Look at that dark green. Whoops. Y'all will have to excuse me since I'm not used to swatching with this hand. I probably should have washed this off, and oh well, we didn't do it. Oh, that's beautiful. They're all beautiful, y'all. That's Big Bad Wolf. Krampus. And this one is Count Dracula. Oh, wow. Oops, I didn't do good on that one. Sorry, y'all. Count Dracula didn't get... Okay. And then the last 3, thank you for sticking by with me, messing it up and everything. All right, 1, 2, and 3. This one is Black Forest. Now that's black. This is Brow, I think B-R-A-U Castle, or maybe it's B-R-A-N. It's hard to tell because of the way the color on the color. And this is Spandau Citadel. So there. These remind me, this palette reminds me a lot of the Berlin Underground. And because Frankenstein is in here, this must be somewhere in Germany, or that, you know, Germany, Austria, that kind of thing. I'll have to look it up and research it more. Or maybe they went, you know, to several different places in Europe. I'm not sure. But that's that one. So y'all, that's what I got. That's what she wrote. Wait, this, oops, that too. That's that palette, and then that's that palette. Thank y'all for stopping by and seeing my gorgeous palettes. And thank you to Nomad. They really are, follow them on Instagram, y'all, because they have guessing parties when they come up with a new palette that you can win. You might be able to win one. And several of our channel lady friends get these in PR, and they show them to us before, you know, like the day that they launch, they show them to us. So you can check them out as they're new. And Life with Christine, Beauty and More with Renee. I know other people that do that. I just can't think of them at the moment, but I'll put those 2 in the description if you want to go check out their channels. Y'all take care and count your blessings, and good to see y'all. Bye-bye.